Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is permission set. Permission set is a collection of settings and permissions. Permission set is used to extend the permission. One user can be assigned to many permission sets. Permission sets are adaptive. We can't control page layout assignment. It It extends user functional access without changing their profile. It gives users to various tools and functions. Navigation of permission set. Setup, administration, permission set, new. Create permission set and configure it accordingly. Let's see an example. Create a permission set by the name System Administrator Permission Set and assign it to user A so that he could able to create course record. So just log into our Salesforce account. So first we need to verify uh, with user A. So click on users. So user A is having system administrator new profile. So just scroll down in the object permissions. We have to give the create permission by using permission set. So for now we have to uncheck this create. So let's click edit. So uncheck create. Now from the profile label, user A is not able to create a course record. Again log into user A account. Let's see user A is able to create the course or not. Click on course. So here there is no new button to create course. Also we can click on this all. So here all only import change owner printable view button is there, but no new button to create the course. So user A is not able to create a course by using the profile. So if so many numbers of people are using this profile and all the users not needed to create the course record, only user A account needed to create a course record. So in this situation we are going to create a permission set and assign it to this particular user. So rest of the users is not required, so we are not going to assign that permission set to rest of the users. If it is the situation that all the users needed, so we can go and modify in the profile itself, but only one user or a couple of user needed. So in this situation we need to create permission set and assign to that particular user. So let's come back to our main account, Salesforce Network account. So in this, so just click on setup to create the permission set. Under administration, click user permission set. So all are standard permission set. We can't delete them, but the permission set by which we are seeing at the beginning del button. So this is our custom permission set and we can delete them. So or if we need to create a permission set, click on new. So enter permission set information. Label, I am providing here system administrator new permission set and I am not choosing any license. Click save. So from here, just in the app section, come down and click object settings. So for object, I need to edit course. So course object is here. Click on this particular. So course, tab setting and all the permissions are here. Field permission. So I am clicking on edit button. Also we need to provide the read access and visibility on. Click on save. After this we need to assign this permission set to user A. So click user A. So click on manage assignment, add assignment. So from here I have to check user A, this one, who is using system administrator new profile. Click next. So here we can go with no expiration date. Again we can go with specific the expiration date, 1 day, 1 week, 30 days, 60 days and as per our custom date also. So I am going with no expiration, assign. So again go to the user A account and reload the page. So now we are able to see new button. Like this we are creating the permission set and assigning to the user who is needed some extra set of permissions at the given baseline level of access. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.